do I have to mix fungicides with insecticides while spraying, or can I spray them separately? Also, do I need to keep spraying even when the fruits are mature? Thank you, and this is Mihai from New Jersey. So, do you combine the fungicide with the insecticide while you're spraying, or can you do that separately? And of course, we don't know the fruit, but yeah.
Right. You can do it separately if you want to. The reason that we combine them is because one application will do the trick. You have to go over it one time. That's why farmers combine a lot of these products.
Yeah.
It costs money to run a spray rig across the field.
Right.
But there again, there's no problem at all with doing it separately if you've got the time. Sometimes there's actually some antagonism, you know, when you mix some products.
Okay.
And I'm not aware of any with the fungicides and insecticides we recommend to control fruit and insect diseases on fruits. But yeah, you can do that if you want to. You can do it separately if it makes you feel better. You know? Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one. But you also need to make sure that you rotate, you know, your fungicides and insecticides.
If you can.
If you can.
If you can.
Yeah, if you can.
But it's been my experience, most people are looking for convenience, and most people will buy a home orchard spray and they will just use that.
I agree with that.
And if that is the only way you will go with regular sprays, then do that. Right?
Sure.
And as far as keep spraying, even when
they're mature.
fruits are mature, look at the label of the product that you're using. And spray, there will be probably a 14-day harvest with restriction. You know, so whatever the restriction is, the pre-harvest restriction, follow that. But by all means, continue spraying up to the point that you can.
Right.
According to the label.
Right, and it'll be on the label. It'll be a little table.
That's right.
Yeah,
Pre-harvest.
Right. Sure will be.
That's correct. And if you do that, you don't even have to wash the fruit before you eat it.
Just right off the tree, huh?
That's right.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.